Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So I've been getting lot of requests on this Valentine website that I have created. So here on clicking the start journey button, it shows these 4 images. So you are unable to edit those images. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit these images and you can put your own image. So this project you will get on our Geeky Script GitHub account. You need to go to repositories. Here you will get this project. Will you be my Valentine with response mail? So this is the project basically. So here on line number 280 we have all these images, but these are all taken from internet, but you want to put your own image over here. So that is what I am going to show you. So first what you need to do is you need to take that project locally on your system. So here is my index.html file. And then you need to place all the 4 images that you like to put over here, just like this. So you can see all the 4 images on that folder. Next you need to open this folder on Visual Studio Code. Here is the project open on Visual Studio Code. You can see all images also shown over here. And on line number 280 till 286 we have all these images linked. So this is what you need to change. So you need to select this, hit the delete button and just type your image name. So my image name is memories_pic1. So memories, as you type memories, it's going to show up over here as a suggestion. You just click on it. So your memories pic1 is ready set. Similarly, we'll set pic2, pic3 and pic4 to each of these src. Pic2. Similarly, pic3, memories_pic3, and finally the last one, and we are done. Now just go to file and save this file. And now if you simply refresh this and click on start journey, you can see all new images are added over here. So similarly, you can also add your own images. So that's how you edit and put your own images within image tag. Now let's say on this project folder where you have this index.html file, you want to keep all these images in a separate folder. So like you have a new directory of the name pic, and within that, let's say you have all the pictures present. So in that case, you need to put that directory name over here just before the file name. So you need to put pic, then give a slash, and now you are able to access all the images that are present within pic directory. So similarly, you need to also do it for all the other places. So everything is done. Now you save it, and now when you refresh this and click on start journey, you can see all images are shown, but this time it is picking from the pic directory folder. So that's how you do it. Please do subscribe our Geeky Script channel and watch my other videos. That are going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. If you want to contribute, please buy us a coffee, or you can also contribute through YouTube thanks. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.